Every mother's breastfeeding journey is different. Some days are easy, and some days require a little extra help. That is where breast pumps play an important role, supporting mothers, protecting milk supply, and making feeding more flexible for the whole family. In today's video, we explore how breast pumps work, why they matter, and how you can use them safely and confidently. Safety pin: what a breast pump actually does. Narrator. A breast pump is a device designed to gently draw milk from the breast. It copies the natural sucking rhythm of a baby, helping release milk without discomfort. Moms use pumps for many reasons: work, school, travel, or when feeding directly becomes challenging. Whether you use it once in a while or every day, a breast pump becomes a helpful partner in your breastfeeding journey. Baby bottle: why many mothers choose to pump. Narrator. Let's look at the most common reasons mothers decide to use a pump. To feed the baby when the mother is away.